everybody, it's Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. Obviously, I don't have brown hair anymore. I'm super excited to record another hair dye video for you guys because it's been so long, and as if you've been with my channel for a while, you know that my work didn't allow me to have colored hair, but now they do. I dyed my hair back red. It came out like this dark red burgundy color. I was hoping it would turn out a little bit brighter, but since my hair was dark, it's not nearly as bright as it used to be, which is okay because next time I can use something different to make it a little bit brighter. But for right now, it's still a little bit wet. I haven't dried it all the way yet, but this is the color that it came out to be, and I feel like myself again. I felt so boring and just I hated my brown hair so much, and yeah, I hated it. So I'm super happy to have my red hair back. I also trimmed it a little bit. It's not the perfect haircut ever, but my aunt's my hairdresser and she hasn't had time to cut it for me, so I just trimmed it a little bit to make it a little bit healthier. I mean, my hair feels super thick and healthy because the hair dye I used is semi-permanent, and it's the same hair dye that I've used in my past hair dye videos, but I wanted to do another hair dye video for you guys just because I know you love them and I love making them, and I wanted to get a video out for you guys. So first, I have these clips. I actually used a like hair color removal before I put on the red, just because the brown that I had on my head was like a dark brown semi-permanent gloss, and underneath that dark brown was my like natural ash blondish brown color and a little bit of blonde. So I just used that to see if it would lift my hair color at all, just to make it a little bit brighter for the red to hang on to. I honestly didn't notice too much of a difference. I noticed a little bit of it lightening my hair, but that hair lightener doesn't damage your hair at all. So I actually got that at Sally's, and that's the same hair dye removal that I used on my sister's hair when she had hot pink hair, and that stripped all of the pink out of her hair and left her hair like bright blonde. So that's a really good hair dye remover. So I just wanted to try it and see if it would work on that like semi-permanent brown I had. Like I said, and like you guys will be able to see, it didn't really lift it too much, but it made it just a tiny bit brighter for this red to hang on to. All you have to do is mix it with 2 ounces of water and then put the whole packet in there, mix it up, and it's kind of like this watery paste that you just put on your head. Let it sit for like 20 to 45 minutes, I think is what it said, and then shampoo your hair a couple times. So that's what I did, and it came out to kind of like a lightish brown, kind of. I still think my hair was pretty dark when I put this red on it, so I'm surprised that this even came out as bright as it is right now. It's pretty bright, and I'm also like in direct sunlight right now, so it is showing the color pretty well. When I was in a darker room, it kind of shows as like a really dark red, which I think is really flattering and nice. So I'm just gonna show you guys me dyeing my hair. I mean, it's nothing too interesting and nothing you haven't seen before, but I'm just gonna go ahead and switch to that real fast, and then I will get back to you afterwards. Okay, it's been 2 hours. That's 4. It's been 2 hours. I have somewhere I need to be in a little bit, so I'm going ahead and taking it out now. Normally I keep it in for like 4 or 5 hours, and it's a semi-permanent hair dye, so it's okay to leave it in that long. You can leave it in all day because it's not penetrating your hair, so it's not damaging it. A lot of people don't understand that about semi-permanent hair color. It's bag is really dirty. But here's what it looks like. It kind of looks pink, and it's been a while since I last dyed my hair, so I don't remember if it looked like this last time, but I'm going to try to rinse it out in my kitchen sink because it has a removable thingy McBobber shower, not a shower head, but it has a removable head thing. So it's easier to wash this out of my hair. I'm not gonna shampoo, I'm not gonna condition. This basically conditions your hair. So all I'm doing is rinsing the hair color out. Make sure that you always use semi-permanent hair color on clean hair. The more you shampoo your hair after using it, the more the color is just gonna come out. So if you shampoo this right after you put it in, then you're basically just already trying to strip the color. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out now. I'm kind of scared. You guys enjoyed this video. I don't know if it was even interesting at all, but I haven't seen any hair dye videos where the person kind of has like a dark, it's not dark brown, but kind of like a in the middle dark lightish brown color. I couldn't even explain to you what my hair color was, but you guys obviously saw it. It was like my natural hair, and then it was like this weird brownish color, and I couldn't find a video of someone who had the same hair color as me putting the Manic Panic over it. So I wanted to do a video just in case someone has that kind of same hair color, because it might help you the same way that it really helped me. So make sure to follow me on my social media, because I will be posting many pictures with my new hair probably right after this video, because most of you guys have been waiting like a literal year for me to dye my hair back red, and I have been waiting a long time too. I will be posting pictures on my social media, so make sure to go follow me. And then I also have a PO box if you guys would like to send me anything. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.